Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And one of my first videos in South Carolina is me trying very spicy, sour candy. One of the most sour candies in the world. Watch everybody.
Alright, I'm going.
You putting your mouth on?
I'm not having one.
How?
It just makes your mouth salivate.
Let it
That's
go.
what gets you.
Sissy, stop.
Oh, what?
It's good candy though.
Yeah, it's great. The best. Okay, look.
I think some of them are worse than others.
Oh, shit!
Oh! Oh, look.
Oh my god, it took a second, but no. Oh.
My throat hurts.
Costa got his mouth.
No cheek. Go, keep it on your tongue.
Costa got his mouth.
My throat hurts.
He's not acting like swallowing.
You gonna start joking. I'm like,
It only lasts about 30 seconds. That'd be cheating.
there she is.
Kelsey must like it. She wanted another lick.
Not anymore. Anyway.
No, well, you're not done yet, buddy. It gets worse, I heard.
Did you wait till you got to the center or you spit it out?
Is there work?
It gets worse.
Okay.
It was rough. Like really, really rough.
Guys, it gets
I
worse.
still got like the taste in my mouth.
It gets worse.
It lasts a little while.
Go away.
At the meal.
He says like a bath bomb. It probably is a bath bomb.
It gets worse?
Get past, keep it in your mouth, get past
Worse
the
than
sour.
that, I can't believe it.
Yes, you can. The foam is not
So
worse.
sour.
Is it worse?
This is way worse than a warhead. This ain't shit like a warhead. Damn the warhead. This ain't nothing. No, they have a super warhead. And that's what it was like that. No, this is way worse. It's bigger. Oh, I didn't even have it in my mouth.
Is there juice in the
Alright,
middle?
don't just leave her in it. Come on, guys. You can't leave her fed for herself.
Yeah.
He did 3 of them in a row. And his tongue was bleeding afterwards.
Yeah. You want another lick? Kelsey likes it.
I still have it.
She keeps
I
saying,
think she just likes, she's like, that's weird.
look, she keeps saying, I want
Is it
another
ever
lick,
gonna
I
get
want
more
another lick.
spicy?
It's not spicy. It's sour.
Sour? Any more sour?
I don't like it either, but you keep wanting another lick.
Was there like juice in her mouth?
It's like fizzy.
I'll take another one.
No.
I'll take another one.
Oh, your tongue's
You
gonna
know,
bleed.
Kyle, your tongue will start bleeding. Let me get mine going.
How was I cheating?
No, finish it. He's gonna get a full one.
What, putting it in your cheek? Said you're not tasting it.
Don't keep doing any.
He's going over there to do work.
I'd rather.
I've cracked it in half with nothing in it now.
Come on. Hurry
It's
up.
all fizzed out.
Hurry.
Oh, Capri Sun.
Well, looks like I finished it. Guys, it looks like I finished it. That was so sour, guys.
Dude, I can't.
Guys,
Sour stuff.
that was so sour. But, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.